Constitution came into force and India formally became republic.
India has the longest written constitution in the world, incorporating 448 articles in 22 parts, 12 schedules and 97 plus amendments.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar spent 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to draft the Indian Constitution.
Both the handwritten copies of the Constitution were signed by 308 members of the Assembly on 24th Jan 1950. It came into force 2 days later and throughout the country.
The original handwritten copies of the constitutions are kept in helium-filled cases in the Library of Parliament House.
India's motto of Satyameva Jayate, it has been taken from Mundakopanishad, from the Atharvana Veda, and it has been translated into Hindi by Abid Ali in 1911.
Rabindranath Tagore wrote Janagana Mana in Bengali first. It was later translated into Hindi by Abid Ali in 1911. It was adopted as Indian national anthem in the year 1950.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the first president of our nation to take oath on 26 Jan 1950.
The saffron, the symbol of religions and diversity, the unity and equality.
The white in the center of light, the path of truth to guide our conduct.
The green shows our relation to soil, our relation to the plant life here, on which all other life depends.
The Ashoka wheel in the center of the white is the wheel of the law of Dharma. Truth or Satya, Dharma or virtue ought to be the controlling principles of those who work under this flag. Again, the wheel denotes motion.
26 January was especially selected since it was the anniversary of Purna Swaraj Day, 26th January 1930.
Republic Day is chosen as the day to give a bravery awards to the deserving candidate. The awards that are given away are Veer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Paramveer Chakra, Kirti Chakra and Ashok Chakra.
Faith in words, pride in our heart,